How to use Remotasks. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the basic steps on how you can start on Remotasks. Well, first thing is signing up. You want to visit www.remotasks.com and you want to sign up. You can see the sign up option, you can tap on it. And unfortunately, it is currently unavailable in my region, but you can easily sign up. After signing up, complete the basic onboarding process to familiarize yourself with the platform. Now once logged in, you'll see a list of available tasks. You want to select a task based on your interest and skills. Tasks can range from image tagging, data categorization, transcription, and more. Some tasks require a training module. Complete the training to understand the guidelines and best practices for that task. After passing the quiz, you'll be ready to start working on real tasks. Read the task instructions carefully. Complete the tasks by completing the instructions. For example, if it is image tagging, ensure you are tagging objects accurately. After completing the task, review your work to ensure accuracy. Remotasks pays weekly for the tasks you have completed. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal. Hope this video helped. Do not forget to like and subscribe.